Hi, my name is Ofer Hoffman and I'm the CTO and founder of Cital Technology. I would like to introduce to you today a new product that we're introducing to the market, the PhysiCAN. And I would like to show you some usages of the PhysiCAN application with additional videos after this one. The PhysiCAN is actually a tool, a very unique tool that allows you to troubleshoot CAN bus and find wiring faults. Traditionally, finding wiring faults on CAN bus could take hours, sometimes even days, and we have gained a lot of experience with several OEMs in the market that detect wiring faults on CAN buses in an average of 6 hours. We are able to introduce a tool that will instantly show you on a graphical representation where that problem is, and that's what I would like to show you in a moment. So we're talking on a great pain, which involves a lot of debug time, and the whole purpose of this disruptive technology is to reduce this debug time and fix time and lower it to minutes rather than hours. So stay with me to a few other videos to see how it works. Thank you.